Yo, what's up guys? It's Dakotah. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're going to be doing an iPad unboxing today. I'm pretty excited about this, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, as you can see, we have an iPad and an Apple Pencil. Let's start with Apple Pencil. It says iPad Pro and iPad 6th generation. This is the iPad, the 7th generation, so I'm assuming it'll work on here. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then we'll unbox the iPad. So I'm extremely excited to try this out. Let me see. Oh, right here. I did cut it open at one point, so here we go. If you guys have any cool apps that you like to use with the iPad and the pencil, let me know. Maybe I'll check them out, especially if they're free. Let me know, because I honestly don't really know of any. But yeah, here it is. Ooh, I like the box. The box for that's really cool. So there's that. Designed by Apple. Oh, nice. You can see the pencil already. Comes with a different tip, or an extra tip. And I don't really know what this is. Is this to charge it, maybe? I have no idea what that's for, you guys. But, oh no, it fell out. That's okay. I'll grab it in a second. So then we get more instructions, all that good stuff. Notes. Here's that little piece. I guess it's maybe an extra tip, is what I'm guessing. It's an extra tip, or maybe a smaller one. I think it's just an extra, actually, so that's cool. At least they thought of that. Oh, it looks like the sticky part came off. Here's the pencil itself. This thing looks really nice. I'm excited. Woo! Look at that, you guys. Look at that. I know it's kind of hard to see, but my camera is not very good for this type of stuff. You guys can't see it, but it does say Apple Pencil on the silver here. Looks really good. It does have a plastic wrap around it. I'm going to leave it until I'm ready to use it, just in case for whatever reason. So yeah, I don't really want to break this thing. Oh, there's how you charge it. That's pretty nice. That's cool. I like that. Oh, it only goes one way. Okay. Good to know. Snaps on. Very nice. I'm excited to use this now, so let's put this back in here, and we'll set it to the side for a minute. And now, we're going to unbox this amazing iPad. This is the 7th generation iPad. So let's go ahead and get this open, and then I'll show it to you guys. Woo! Alright, so on the back, you guys can see this is the 32GB iPad 7th generation Wi-Fi edition. I'm assuming this is the silver. Yep, silver. It's really tiny, but it says it way down there at the bottom. So let's get this open. You guys, I haven't actually owned an iPad since I bought my MacBook. When I bought my MacBook Pro, I sold my iPad mini, so yeah. That's why I got another one of these, and I've been wanting one for a while, and I got it for Christmas, so I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this because I've been wanting to make my own emotes for like Twitch and stuff like that, and I didn't really know how to do it, and I figured this would be great. And plus, traveling, this is a little bit easier to use. So let's set the iPad to the side for a second, because I'm curious. So we do get another lightning cable. That's always good. I actually have a spare one, so I don't really need it too bad. Got another power brick over here, which obviously I will need. I'll get it later. I don't actually need it right now, so. And then, of course, we get some instructions and whatnot. I think it's stickers, but there it goes. Got it. We get all that stuff once again. And then, of course, the box. That's all that's in there. Oh, this thing is so much bigger than the mini. Holy cow. I guess we could open it, right? Actually take the plastic off of it. Here you go. That's pretty satisfying. Just saying. That is super duper satisfying. So here it is. White. This is the regular iPad, not the mini, not the Pro. Yeah, just the iPad. The home button on the bottom, which I hope has Touch ID. The very bottom, you have the charging port and the speakers. On this side, there's 3 little dots. I don't know what those do. I have no idea what those do. I guess I'll figure that out. On the top, headphone jack, power button, and on the right side is the volume controls, I'm assuming, so. And then obviously on the back, we have the camera up top, the logo, iPad. I think there's a little speaker right there. If you guys can see that at the top. I think that's what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. I'm gonna set it on the box though. That way it's a little bit safer. And we're gonna turn this bad boy on. See how it does. Alright guys, I had to swap out the battery because this camera is terrible with batteries, but like I said, we're gonna power this thing on. I'm just excited to use the pencil. The reason I got this, I don't know if you guys heard me, but is because I want to make my own emotes and stuff for Twitch and design my own stuff. And I feel like the iPad would really help with that. I might even try to do other things like my own artwork. Sitting down with pencil and paper nowadays for me is really hard. I just don't have the patience. But if it's already in like my tablet or something like that, then that for me is a lot because I can take this with me. It's kind of a pain to take paper and pencils with you all the time, so this is going to help a lot. Hopefully it'll give me some ideas and, you know, I can jot things down faster and all that cool stuff. So let's check this out. It says hello. Press home. We want English. United States. Quick start. If you have an iPhone or an iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPad manually. Wow, that's new, isn't it? I've never seen that. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm connected to the internet. Now it's activating it, so I guess we gotta wait just a minute. I don't know how long this is really gonna take, but it says a few minutes, so we'll see. Oh, well that was quick. Cool. Alright guys, I'm starting to get this thing set up. I think we're pretty much good from here. Alright, quick access to the dock. Slide up. Okay. Okay. Switch between recent apps. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's new. Unless the mini just didn't have those features. Access controls. All that good stuff. And then here is the iPad. Ooh! Well, that looks good. I chose dark mode because it's easier for me to see. It looks really nice. I like that. Holy cow, that's a lot of apps. That is a lot of apps, you guys. So I got this set up. Again, guys, if you have any recommendations for apps to use for like drawing and stuff like that to use Apple Pencil with, let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I do still have to take the plastic off this pencil, but I'll do that right after this video. Also, anything you guys want to see with this thing, any type of videos you guys want to see or know about, just let me know, and I'll try my best to get those videos out for you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on my Twitch page as well. The link will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and a Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next video.